Real hot girl shit. Yeah, I'm in my bag, but I'm in his too. And that's why every time you see me, I got some new shoes.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm QUOIALEN if you've never seen me before, and if you have, welcome the freak back. Okay, so yes, I've been gone for like a month. I don't want to hear it from nobody. I've been busy. YouTube is not a job for me. Obviously, I do work and all this other stuff. This is just a hobby for me, so it'll never be like a full-time thing, I don't think, unless I just pop, you know what I'm saying? But that's really not a goal for me. I just like coming on here and doing makeup and talking to you guys and, you know, just spreading my love for makeup and fashion and all those things. Okay, so yeah, that's where I've been. Your girl's been working, okay? But yeah, this is the look I did today. It was actually inspired by one of my favorite makeup artists. Well, she's not a makeup artist because she doesn't do other people's makeup. She will tell you that over and over and over again. But this was actually inspired by a makeup influencer on Instagram. Her name is Drea Binti Vegas. Miss Binti Vegas is her @ name. If you don't follow her, then you should definitely go follow her. She did this look a while ago, and I've been wanting to recreate it with my own little twist on it. So yeah, if you want to see how I got this look, just keep on watching. Okay, so let's hop right into it, shall we? Okay, we can't hop right into it until I find my concealer. Oh, here we go. So to prime my eyelids, I'm taking the Makeup Revolution concealer in C1. I don't know if y'all can see that. There we go. C1. Just take a little dab. Okay, maybe 2 dabs. Then I'm just pulling that out. Y'all, I'm starting to do the whole do one eye thing either before I start filming or like off camera after I've done one eye on camera, because I'm tired of editing 20-minute videos. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. And I've come to realize that you guys do like the shorter makeup videos, so like those keep your attention longer. So I'm going to start making shorter videos, and this is how I'm going to do that. I really like that concealer as a base. So the star of the show today is the Colored Raine Vivid Pigments palette. Anyway, this is the star of the show. I love this palette so much, and I'm trying to dip into it more and more, especially with this whole Juvia's Place scandal. But hinty, this is the star of the show. Really, mainly only 2 colors out of here, but y'all, look at this palette. This is the main reason I have not bought the James Charles palette, because I mean I have pretty much everything in the James Charles palette here for the most part, or at least the mattes anyway. So yeah, I mean I might end up still buying the James Charles just to have it in my collection. I mean that's a bomb palette not to have, and I also have the Jaclyn Hill palette, so why not, you know? So, but yeah, that's neither here nor there. Anyway, moving on. So the first color I took was this one right here. It is called Boss Up. And I'm just going straight into it. I'm gonna pack it on first because that's when I've realized that I get the most color payoff, even though these are hella pigmented. Like, hella pigmented. Yo, I really missed filming. I'm not gonna do like a big break like that again, and if I do a big break like that again, I'm gonna tell you guys this one was a kind of not planned at all, because I went out of town, and then like I haven't been staying where my filming whole setup is. My filming setup is at my parents' house, and I kind of been staying at my sister's house, so it's just been a lot trying to set up a schedule. And I just quit my Old Navy job, so now I have more time on my hands to film, so that was taking a lot of time away. So I had to let that go, because 3 jobs right now is not worth it. Ever. Moving on to the next color, which is gonna be this dark purple down here. It is called Purp Smurf. Now just to blend these together even more, I'm going to take a clean blending brush and just blend those together. It doesn't really need it, however, I'm thorough. Now going back into the Makeup Revolution concealer, I'm going to cut my crease pretty high. I didn't try to do this high, but this is how it turned out, so here we are. Oh, y'all, I got a new tattoo. Can y'all see it? Yeah, I've done a lot while I was gone, guys. A lot. I know I mentioned Juvia's Place earlier, and this is actually the palette I'm going to go into just for this green here. I don't have any other palette with a shimmery green like this one, so here we are. Just going to press that onto my lid with my finger and then go back in to get to the details with a brush. And honestly, y'all, I'm so indifferent about this brand right now. I don't even know. I'm keeping my palettes. I'm not throwing them away. I paid for them. Nope, not throwing them away. But will I be purchasing from Juvia's Place in the future? I honestly don't know right now. As of now, it's a no. And aside from this video and my next one, I won't be featuring Juvia's Place on my channel anymore until like all of the madness has been, you know, rectified in some manner or something. It's just too much, and it's such a scandal right now. I don't know. People are saying they're not really black owned. I don't know. I just don't know. But as of now, no, I'm not throwing any of my palettes away. I didn't buy the foundation, so I'm gonna hold off on that for a while. Yeah, I was gonna make a whole entire dedicated video talking about this, but honestly, I don't want to bring any negativity to my channel, especially with me being such a... So my camera overheated and I just, you know, finished filling it in while it calmed down a little bit. So now just going back into the colored Raine palette, back into Purp Smurf down here. I'm just gonna clean up this part of my crease to deepen that color some more. Not much, because it don't need much. Just take in a blending brush. And I'm gonna bring back up some of that first color, which is bossed up. Okay, I'm finishing just in time because my nieces and nephews just got here and they be loud. Okay, so anyway, taking this lip brush, I didn't have an angled brush to clean up my crease. I'm just gonna take some of Purp Smurf onto here and clean up my crease. Will define my crease a little bit more. This brush is so freaking little, but it got the job done on my other eye. So here I am. Okay, I'm back. Now I'm just gonna take my NYX eyeliner, liquid eyeliner, and line my lids, of course. What else do you do with freaking eyeliners, Quoia? I don't know. Okay. Y'all know I hold my breath on this Okay, I have no idea if these match or not, but screw it. Now I'm just gonna take my IT mascara and coat my lashes. Okay, I didn't take that much because I'm gonna put on some lashes. Lashes. Okay, so the lashes I am about to put on are from Kiss. And these are in the style Brassiere. That's not the right box. But yeah, these are the style Brassiere. I know that because I wore these the other day. And I just stuck them in this little clear box. I'm looking for my tweezers so I can show you guys up close. And, you know, up on my freaking lashes. What the hell? Okay, so these are the lashes. Focus. I know, they're so cute and wispy. I love them. But yeah, as you can see, they're pretty bomb. They look pretty dramatic on my eye, but they ain't that bad. While my lash glue is drying, I'm gonna take my Maybelline gel eyeliner in Blackest Black and line my lower lash line. And with a fluffy brush, I'm just going to go back into the first color, which is Bossed Up, and sweep that on my lower lash line as well. I'm also going to take some mascara and put that on my lower lashes. My lash is pretty much dry, so I'm going to take this. Oh my gosh, I can never apply my lashes right on camera ever, like ever. Just gonna take some of this highlight. It's called Twilight and it's from my Pure Midnight Masquerade face palette. It's one of my favorite highlighters, especially to highlight my brow bone, because even though it's subtle, it still gives me the glow I'm looking for. Oh, it can get out of hand real. Just gonna spray my face with some Urban Decay All Nighter spray. I can't find my sponge right now, so I'm just gonna take my foundation brush and just press that into the skin just to set it. Anyway, taking a random fluffy brush, I'm going to mix these two shades together from that Pure face palette and highlight. Okay, so I'm gonna just take this makeup right off anyway. So I am going to take this Juice Infused Lip Oil. It is from the Ulta brand, inside of Ulta, duh. And just put that on my lips. This is the best thing ever. I'm officially out of my Fenty Gloss Bomb. So I'm stuck in using other alternatives until I feel like spending $18 on a lipstick again. Well, a lip gloss again. But yeah, this is the finished look. Okay, so yeah, this is the finished look. I hope you guys liked it and enjoyed it. I am so happy to be back on these YouTube streets. I'm never taking a break like that again unless it's absolutely necessary, because I feel like I had to get back into the swing of things. Okay, so yeah, I hope you guys really liked this video and enjoyed it, and if you did, please give me a big thumbs up. I would greatly appreciate it. And if you're not already subscribed, go ahead, hit that subscribe button and the little bell next to it. That way you can be notified every single time that your girl make an upload. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, y'all.